Hey everyone, welcome back to Investment IQ Insights. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, how to liberate yourself from living paycheck to paycheck. We will be sharing 10 crucial and actionable steps to guide you towards financial freedom. Before we get started, we kindly ask that you like the video and subscribe to our channel for weekly stock tips and personal finance advice. We are a new channel and you subscribing is very important to us and lets us know that you want us to continue providing valuable information to you. We also want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only. Always seek the advice of a financial professional before making any financial decisions. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. Begin your journey by thoroughly assessing your current financial situation. Create a detailed budget spreadsheet that not only tracks income, expenses, and debts but provides a holistic view of your financial landscape. When assessing your financial situation, take a comprehensive look at your income streams. Beyond your primary job, consider any additional sources of income, such as side gigs, freelance work, or passive income. Understanding the total inflow of money provides a clearer picture of your financial foundation. This step involves not just acknowledging your current salary but also identifying opportunities for diversification and growth in your income streams. Additionally, evaluating the stability and reliability of your income sources is crucial, especially if there's variability or uncertainty in any of them. This detailed examination of your income lays the groundwork for strategic financial planning and sets the stage for a robust financial future. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. Creating a realistic budget involves more than just balancing your income and expenses. It requires a holistic approach that considers both short-term necessities and long-term financial goals. Allocate funds not only for immediate bills and living expenses but also for savings, investments, and debt repayment. The goal is to strike a balance that ensures financial stability today while building a foundation for future financial success. Visualization tools, such as budgeting apps or spreadsheets, can aid in breaking down your budget into categories and providing a visual representation of where your money is going. Additionally, consider setting aside a portion for discretionary spending, allowing for some flexibility while still adhering to your overall financial plan. This step is about creating a financial roadmap that reflects your priorities and aspirations, laying the groundwork for mindful and purposeful money management. Step 3. Trim unnecessary expenses. Trimming unnecessary expenses is a transformative step that involves cultivating mindful spending habits. Start by conducting a thorough review of your monthly expenditures, identifying areas where adjustments can be made without sacrificing your quality of life. This might involve renegotiating bills, canceling subscriptions you no longer use, or finding cost-effective alternatives for certain expenses. Embrace the mindset of distinguishing between needs and wants, allowing you to prioritize what truly adds value to your life. Implementing this step requires a proactive approach, and small changes in discretionary spending can accumulate to significant savings over time. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a cornerstone of financial resilience. This fund serves as a safety net during unexpected life events, providing a financial cushion that can prevent you from falling back into the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. While conventional advice often recommends saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, consider tailoring this amount to your unique circumstances and comfort level. This step is not just about setting aside money, it's about cultivating a mindset of preparedness. Consider automating contributions to your emergency fund to ensure consistent growth. As you progress through your financial journey, periodically revisit and reassess the adequacy of your emergency fund, especially as life circumstances evolve. Ultimately, a well-funded emergency fund not only shields you from financial setbacks but also instills a sense of financial security and confidence in facing the unknown. Step 5. Tackle high-interest debt. Tackling high-interest debt is a pivotal step towards financial liberation. Begin by prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates, employing strategies such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. The debt snowball involves paying off the smallest debt first, gaining momentum, while the debt avalanche focuses on tackling the highest interest debt to minimize overall interest payments. In addition to these methods, consider negotiating with creditors for better terms or exploring debt consolidation options. This step is not just about repaying debts, it's about breaking free from the burden of high-interest obligations that hinder your financial progress. By strategically managing and reducing debt, you not only save money on interest payments but also pave the way for a more stable and secure financial future. Step 6. Increase your income. Increasing your income is a strategic move that involves exploring diverse avenues for financial growth. Beyond negotiating a salary increase, consider investing in skills that make you more valuable in your current job or open doors to new opportunities. Explore side hustles aligned with your interests and expertise, transforming your passions into additional income streams. Moreover, consider long-term strategies like pursuing advanced education or certifications that can enhance your career trajectory. The goal is not just to boost your immediate earnings but to create a foundation for sustained and diversified income growth. This step is about viewing your skills and time as valuable assets, proactively seeking ways to leverage them for financial advancement and, ultimately, achieving a greater level of financial freedom. Step 7. Save and invest wisely. Saving and investing wisely are integral components of securing your financial future. Establishing a savings routine ensures you have funds set aside for short-term goals and emergencies. Explore various savings vehicles, such as high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, to optimize returns while maintaining liquidity. Simultaneously, venture into strategic investments aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Diversifying your investment portfolio across stocks, bonds, and other assets can mitigate risks and enhance potential returns over time. This step involves not just stashing away money but strategically deploying it to grow and safeguard your wealth. Regularly reassess your investment strategy, adjusting it based on market conditions, financial goals, and changes in your life circumstances. By blending careful saving habits with strategic investments, you create a robust financial foundation capable of weathering economic fluctuations and nurturing long-term wealth. Step 8. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is a dynamic practice that ensures continued alignment with your evolving life circumstances and goals. Life is marked by changes in career, family, and personal aspirations. This step involves scheduling regular check-ins, perhaps quarterly or annually, to assess the effectiveness of your financial strategies. Reevaluate your budget, investments, and savings goals, and make adjustments as needed. Be proactive in responding to changes in income, expenses, or unexpected events. Consider it a strategic habit that fine-tunes your financial plan, ensuring its relevance and effectiveness in different seasons of your life. By embracing adaptability, you not only stay ahead of potential challenges but also capitalize on new opportunities for financial growth and stability. Step 9. Set smart financial goals. Setting smart financial goals is a foundational step towards a purposeful and structured financial journey. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This methodology brings clarity and precision to your objectives, transforming vague aspirations into actionable plans. Specificity in your goals enables you to define clear targets, while measurability allows you to track progress objectively. Ensuring goals are achievable and relevant ensures they align with your overall financial vision and are within your grasp. The time-bound aspect imparts a sense of urgency, creating a timeline that propels you towards consistent progress. This step is not just about dreaming big, it's about creating a roadmap that guides your financial decisions and keeps you accountable. As you set and achieve smart financial goals, you cultivate a disciplined and results-oriented approach, laying the foundation for sustained financial success. Step 10. Develop a debt repayment plan. Developing a comprehensive debt repayment plan is about strategically tackling your outstanding balances and paving the way to financial freedom. Beyond conventional approaches like the debt snowball or debt avalanche, consider customizing your strategy based on your unique financial situation. Evaluate interest rates, prioritize high-interest debts, and explore opportunities for consolidation or refinancing. This step is not just about repaying debts, it's about understanding the psychology of debt and reshaping your relationship with it. Cultivate a mindset of empowerment as you systematically eliminate debts, understanding that each payment brings you closer to financial liberation. By crafting a personalized and strategic debt repayment plan, you not only save money on interest but also set the stage for a debt-free and financially empowered future. There you have it, 10 essential steps to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly content on the best stocks to buy and winning personal finance and investment tips. Thanks for joining us today on Investment IQ Insights. Until next time, stay financially savvy.